came down to visit our friends at SunCoast.
I'm here to support SunCoast and Hardway on this Diesel Thunder event, and just kind of be here and meet some great people. I appreciate these guys down here. They treat me like family.
Cheers.
I really like all these people, and you really don't realize how much of a unique environment it is until you step away from it.
As long as I can do this, I'm all right.
They've been so supportive of my business. I am where I am because of these guys. I couldn't do it without them, absolutely not.